Okay, so welcome back sa vlog. Um, Open ko lang yung lights. Currently, andito ako sa uh, parking ng Uptown Mall. So this is the episode 2 of the vlog. Bali, the plan is mag-gym lang ako today. And then after is I will uh, kumbaga parang me and the team will have a presentation sa mga target investors today, later this afternoon and evening. Bali, two investors yun, and then we will present the presentation and demo the MVP. And yeah, so yun yung uh, one update, and I will let you know kung ano yung magiging result of that. Pero yeah, looking forward to it. So that's the initial part of the episode 2. And yeah, so additional is yung mga accelerator programs na sinalihan namin Hese. Meron pa nga konting update so far, pero I will let you know then kung anong result na. Okay? So yun lang for now. Thanks!
Si Napabili app ko is divided into actually four, pero yung app niya is three lang. Pabili seller, seller app, courier app, and then yung customer app. Then additionally, meron kaming admin portal.
Okay, mic test. Ayan, so kakabalik ko lang galing sa presentation with the investors earlier. And eventually, I think we did an amazing job. They really like the product, the thing that we're currently building. And there's some questions and stuff and some back and forth with paano yung ganito, ganyan, and what if ganito, ganyan. But it's really good. Nakakuha rin kami ng mga feedbacks and opinions that we can really put into the application. And then some stuff na hindi namin nakikita agad kasi as a technical person, marami kaming hindi nakikita when it comes to user experience kasi syempre sanay na kaming gumamit ng mga ganito application, pero sa mga normal na tao, which is yung mga hindi technical na tao, there's really a whole that's really a whole different world. So I think it's a good experience, and I think we really did an amazing job. Actually, hindi ko talaga na-expect na magiging uh, ganun siya ka-smooth and ganun kaganda. And yes, so shout out into our potential investors. Super welcoming sila and um, super super bait. So yun, so yun lang yung masabi ko, and wala pa naman decision if they will invest or not kasi hindi kami namimilit na kailangan mo nang mag-invest ngayon. We will give time to think about it, to ganito ganyan, para makapag-consult din sila with other legalities, another accountant, or whatever. So, yun. So, yun yung nangyari today. Tomorrow, let's see, we will plan ahead ano yung mga next step namin. Of course, with regards sa couriers, meron na rin pala, actually may update din pala sa mga couriers because meron na daw mga potential couriers na nakausap in Nasugbu, Batangas, which is doon nga gaganapin um, ang tawag dito, yung compatibility testing. So, that's really amazing. And then meron na rin mga potential sellers. Customers, I think mas madali naman makuha yon. Pero we will plantsahin na namin to this week. So, by Feb is magiging smooth na yung transition or yung compatibility testing, especially sa Daspu, Batangas. And yeah, so also I already posted on Reddit, and then there's a lot of feedbacks and opinions and questions na hindi ko pa nasasagot as of the moment, but I will try to answer it as much as I can kasi medyo marami yung dumarating and marami ring biglang uh, mga tawag ito, mga inquiries and mga investors na gusto kaming makausap. So, look forward na makausap lahat. So, pasensya na agad. if hindi ko masagot agad-agad yung mga tanong. And yun, so konting pasensya lang kasi medyo marami po kasi bigla. And yun din yung gusto kong mangyari, masagot lahat ng tanong as much as I can, paunti-unti. Pero hindi ko kasi medyo nababasa na yung iba. So, ayun. So, yun po. And then, pag na-plancha na namin yung for compatibility testing and na-gather na yung enough funds, we will, uh, we will start the compatibility testing as soon as we can. Pero by next week, today is January 11, by next week, I will already publish the apps on uh, for review para at least ready na siya magamit for beta testing for ang tawag dito, for the compatibility testing. So yun, so that's the update and for now and then after this I will also create a um, step-by-step video about first the seller app muna, then the courier app, then the customer app. Para at least mas maintindihan nyo rin yung flow ng apps and you can also have some ideas and feedbacks regarding it kasi yun yung magiging parang initial stage. Pero kailangan ko lang muna kasi siyang plantyahin kasi may mga gusto kaming i-add with regards sa application. So, probably medyo madidelay yung pagkuha ko ng step by step kasi para hindi ko na siya like ulitin pa. Like one time ko na siya gagawin. This is like the full MVP and then yun na yung parang pinaka-final namin. Then tsaka ako siya gagawa ng step by step na tutorial then as well. Especially at ipapublish ko dito sa video, sa vlog para at least makapagbigay kayo ng full feedback nung pinaka-MVP or pinaka-prototype na mismo ng application. Okay, so additional, I think yun lang siya for the meantime. It's really a very um, surreal feeling for me. Kasi syempre yung mga investors na nakausap namin is very kind, very welcoming, and sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na parang lalong lumilinaw yung goals na makuha namin dahil sobrang ganda ng mga feedback na nakuha namin. And parang mas lalo kaming ginanahan ng loob. Of course, the team was really excited din sa mga results na pwede namin makuha and magawa for this project. But for now is we're going to stick sa timeline, step by step tulad ng napag-usapan namin slowly but surely. And then I think this weekend meron ulit additional investor. Then the next week, meron ulit sunod-sunod yung mga presentations with the investors. So yeah, so I think yun lang siya for the meantime. Yeah, so yun na muna. If you have additional like thing to say or feedbacks, please don't forget um, to email us at support@pabili.app para malagay po namin kayo sa beta testing. And then you're welcome to test wherever you are here in the for Philippines lang po muna. And welcome po kayong mag-test whether you're a seller, courier, or customer. Pero for Philippines lang po muna. Pero kahit nasa Mindanao ka, Visayas ka, or Luzon ka, pwede mo siyang i-test as long as you're in the Philippines. And yun, so don't forget if you gusto nyo pong subaybay or gusto nyo pong ng update with regards dito sa Pabili app, please don't forget to subscribe and to or like and follow na lang din po sa page para maging updated po kayo. And yun, so I think yun na po siya for the meantime. Thank you for time again and see you on the next episode.